wouldn't lift.
Hello everyone and welcome on board. My name is Danielle and I'm your cabin manager. Working alongside me today are Paola, James and Sam. We're here to make sure you have a safe and comfortable flight, so if there's anything you need then please just let us know. We will now take you through the safety features of this Airbus A320. Please pay attention to illuminated signs and cruise instructions, including the following safety procedures. The safety card found in your seat pocket contains important information about exit routes, oxygen masks, life jackets, and the brace position that you must adopt if you hear brace, brace. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. Please be aware of your nearest exits as demonstrated by the crew. Your nearest usable exit may be behind you. Emergency lighting will guide you to an exit. In an emergency, leave all your baggage on board. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted and released as shown. It must be fastened when the seatbelt signs are on, and we recommend that you keep it fastened at all times. If the air supply fails, masks will drop from above you. Pull a mask towards you to start the oxygen. Put the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Hold the mask in place with the strap and pull on each side to adjust. Put on your own mask before helping others. In the unlikely event of needing to use an oxygen mask, your face mask must be removed before putting on your oxygen mask. If we land on water, take a life jacket from under your seat, remove from the pouch and put it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and click together. Pull the strap to adjust. Do not inflate it inside the aircraft. When outside, inflate it by pulling the toggle. If it fails to inflate or needs topping up, blow into this tube. There is a light and whistle for attracting attention. The cabin crew can assist you with life jackets for children. Your tray table must now be stowed, armrest down, window blinds open and seatbelt fastened. We hope you have a great flight. Just for those of you that were on that last coach, I've been informing we passengers that there are 2 people with severe allergies on board. One passenger is allergic to fish and one is allergic to nuts. So if you could refrain from eating any of your own food that contains those things, please, until the aircraft has landed and you have left the aircraft. Thank you very much.
The cabin crew have been released to perform safety-related duties. However, the seatbelt sign is still on, so please remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. We do recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Please take care when opening the lockers in case anything falls out. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin. All are fitted with smoke detectors. Smoking is not permitted on board at any time. This includes electronic cigarettes. Due to COVID-19, public health authorities recommend that everyone should ensure frequent hand washing with soap and water. Face masks are required to be worn on board at all times, unless eating or drinking. Once you finish eating or drinking, please put the mask back on immediately. We do apply disinfectants to all surfaces within the aircraft cabin. Therefore, there is no need to wipe down surfaces. We will be collecting rubbish throughout the flight. Please do not leave rubbish in the seat pockets or your seating area. Instead of dispose it when we collect rubbish collections. We'll shortly join you in the cabin with our bistro service. For today's meal deal offer, you can choose a medley snack box, a ham and cheese toastie, a margarita calzone or a hot bacon roll with a soft drink, hot drink or chocolate bar for £7.50. We also have a selection of soft drinks, spirits, wine, beer, sweet and savoury snacks. We do have special offers today where you can purchase 2 beers or wines for £8. They are £5 on their own. We are cashless on board and we accept payment by credit, debit or Maestro card. Contactless is our preferred method of payment. We also accept Apple Pay, Google Pay. We also have our Easyjet boutique with 20% off most of the products today. We have fragrances, aftershaves, cosmetics, gifts and gadgets. We also have cigarettes and spirits available at very competitive prices. You can purchase 2 spirits on board for £25. Spirits include Bombay Sapphire, Smirnoff Blue Vodka and whiskey. We also have Whitney Neal Rhubarb and Ginger flavoured gins available. More information on the boutique service will be provided later on in the flight. If we can be of any further assistance, please just ask.